Hi, welcome to Cute Things by Rebecca. I am Rebecca, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the Luna with some clear vinyl. My clear bags are made just a little differently. They don't have an option for lining, and they have a little decorative stitch by the zipper to kind of cover the zipper and to give extra added protection in case, you know, you're at the beach or whatever. You don't want a bunch of sand in your stuff. Though I don't claim that it is waterproof or sandproof. It just helps with added protection. And it's a cute little zigzag on this bag. So these are the supplies that we'll need. Your clear, you need a main back. I'm doing a 5x7, so I have mine cut at 6x8. The front, I have a piece cut at 1.5x8, and my bottom piece I have cut at 4.5x8, and I have a zipper longer than my project. So when I use clear, I use my water soluble stabilizer, just the plastic kind tearaway, because I don't like pulling out little fluffs, because sometimes you miss them and you can see it in a clear bag. So that's what I use. So the first step on the machine is a placement step for your zipper and the outline of the bag. So let's go ahead and get that started. Oh, one little thing that I do with clear, my machine sometimes loves it and sometimes it hates it. So just to be prepared, I started warming up my vinyl just a little bit before even putting it on. Right before it stitches, I make it softer. It helps the needles get through it without shredding your thread. So I'm going to go ahead and run the placement step. I'm going to heat up my piece of vinyl, and let's get started. Okay, so there's my placement step on the water soluble. Now go ahead and line your zipper up, your zipper teeth with the center zipper right there. Sometimes zippers have different widths, so that's why I recommend going by the center of the zipper. So I'm going to go ahead and tape it and run the next step, which is going to secure the zipper onto the stabilizer. Okay, so my zipper is on. Now you want to take your top piece of clear vinyl and just kind of butt it up to the zipper, and the decorative stitch is going to run. And I did warm it up just a little bit so it's more flexible, and that stuff cools off pretty quick, so get it in the machine. Okay, so we ran the decorative stitch. Now we're going to do the same for the bottom. You take your vinyl, line it up, kind of butt it up to the zipper, and run that bottom decorative stitch. Okay, so the decorative stitches are on now. You can put tabs on these if you want. There's placements for one on the side on this bag. I'm going to go ahead and put one on. I'm using about a 3-inch piece of fold over elastic, or FOE, with the 5/8 D-ring, and I'm gonna put it right there. You can put it anywhere you want, but I'm gonna put it there because there's a tap down for it. So when you're using tabs, just make sure your tab's on the inside of your bag, so when you fold it over, it's correct. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the tab on. Okay, we're down to the last step. This is where you want to open your zipper, because you're going to turn through the zipper. And you can poke a hole in your stabilizer if you want. And then I'm going to heat this up because 2 layers of the clear vinyl. You know, my machine doesn't like it sometimes, but we want to make it happy today. So, and then you want to place your pretty side facing down over the entire project, and then run that last step. Okay, it's all stitched around. front and back. And I'm going to go ahead and get rid of my stabilizer. You will have some threads to cut because that placement step's on the stabilizer, so when you obviously take that stabilizer out, the threads don't have anything to hold on to anymore. So anyways, you guys get the idea when it comes to removing your stabilizer. And I'm just not grabbing it good enough because I'm trying to use one hand. Anyways, there's that. Now you just trim around your bag. And another suggestion is warm it up before you turn it, because it softens it, makes it easier. Leave a little extra zipper. You can't really see it because it'll be tucked up in the corner, but you don't want to cut too close, or you could risk tearing it out when you are turning. So I always leave a little longer on the edges, and then I burn them. I just melted the ends of it a little bit. So I'm going to go warm this up and turn it inside out, and we'll have a cute little bag. And there we have it. A cute little clear bag. It's just less steps. You know, because you want to see your cute little vinyl. Speaking of cute little vinyl, Sweet Tea Stitches, she's got a great variety of clear prints. This little sewing machine is adorable. Anyways, I might just put some sewing stuff in it and put it in my car just to have on hand. But there you go, Luna Clear. Thanks for watching.